All right, y'all. 1 week of having the LG UltraGear 45-inch gaming monitor. And I have to say, I love it, y'all. After playing with settings, getting my settings right on my PS5, on the Xbox Series X, and even on the monitor, man, I got the display colors to pop. It looks great. Now, do I have any regrets of purchasing this gaming monitor? Yes, because I wish I would have took more time to do more research on gaming monitors. I could have bought a TV, you know. I could have bought the LG C2. But hey, man, it's on me for not doing the research, because I want the 4K look. For some reason, the Xbox Series X and the PS5 is saying it's 2160, it's 4K, but it don't go up to 2160, y'all. So I don't know why it says that, but it looks good, man. Maybe the HDR. Colors pop because of the HDR. I don't know, but I know one thing: the colors look good. Now, as far as the frames per second, we had 120 on both devices, depending on what game we play. All right, so 240. I don't think I'll never reach that. Number one, I'm playing on console, not PC. Okay, so I don't think I'll never reach that. Number two, I only play sports games: Madden 2K, NBA 2K24, Madden, Fight Night, Rocket League, and that's about it. But I want to get off of the Call of Duty one day. But anyway, so I don't do any fast-paced games that requires mouse and keyboard. So I'm good, y'all, without 240. That's why I said I wish I would have took more time and did research. 2160, 120, man, I'm good with that. What do you think? The first gaming monitor I had, it was the Alienware, I believe the 3432. I returned that for this one, the LG. And I want to return this one, but I went online and said I can't return it. I'm going to just go ahead and keep it. And then I looked, somebody responded under the video I dropped in the comment section saying, why did you get that, the 2023 version monitor, when the 2024 is about to come out? See there? I don't know, y'all. I'm not off into the, you know, the gaming, the monitor world, man. So not saying you need a PC to get a gaming monitor, because I do see people with their PS5 and Xbox Series X with a gaming monitor. I'm just saying, I didn't know what I was getting into. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna tell y'all 3 gaming monitors that was on my radar, but like I said, I'm gonna keep this one because I can't return it. The first one is the LG C2. That's not a gaming monitor, but I do see people speak highly of this TV. They said, man, it's the colors pop. It's amazing, man. LG OLED C2. I'm like, man, I could have got that one. 42-inch. The next one will be the Samsung Odyssey Arc 2nd Gen 55-inch curve 4K mini LED. That one right there, I see a lot of bad reviews and I see a lot of good reviews. You could turn the screen portrait mode. That one there, I think 55 inches would be too big for me as far as the gaming area I have. The desk, my desk not too big, but yeah, I hear still a lot of good reviews on that one. Then the next one is the Asus ROG Swift 41.5 inch OLED 4K G-Sync gaming monitor. That one right there, I see people saying good things about that one too. And then we got the LG UltraGear 48 inch OLED gaming monitor. That one look nice too. It's UltraGear, a little bigger than mine, my 45 inch. But anybody out there have that one? Let me know what y'all think about that one. And last but not least, I think this one just came out, the Alienware 32 inch 4K QD OLED gaming monitor, AW32225QF. Bruh. Man, I see a lot of good reviews on this gaming monitor, and only problem I have with it, 32 inches is too small. I hear people say it's a sweet spot, 32 inches, 34 inches, but it's too small for me, man. So overall, I could say the main thing I enjoy about this gaming monitor is the curve. You know, the what is it, 800R? The way how this display is curved, man, it's a hell of a curve on this display. So that's the main thing I like about it. So do I recommend it? Yeah, for $11.99. Right now it's going for $11.99, deal of the day. But after that it might go back up to $12.99. When I first got it, I got it at $16.99. Went back, did a price match, $12.99. Now your boy did another price match.
$8 with 25 cents.
Got it. All right. Thank you so much.
Well, I hope you have a good day, and thank you for bringing back to the website.
I got it for $11.99, so it's worth it. All right. I'm out. Y'all have a good one.